Freelancing skills that pay the most 00005. You're interested in freelancing, but you're not sure where to start or what skills will bring in the most pay. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top freelancing skills that can get you paid well. We'll look at what's in demand, what you need to get started, and some examples of how you can put these skills to work. High demand skills 0060405. So, what are the top freelancing skills that pay well? According to data from Upwork, the top 5 skills in demand are 1. Web development, building websites and web applications for clients. 2. Content writing, creating high-quality content for businesses, such as blog posts and articles. 3. Graphic design, creating visual content, like logos, infographics, and brochures. 4. Digital marketing, helping businesses grow their online presence through social media, SEO, and more. 5. Data science, analyzing and interpreting complex data for clients. What you need to get started 046-120. To get started in these fields, you'll typically need basic computer skills, including Microsoft Office and Google Suite. A portfolio or examples of your work to show potential clients. A strong understanding of the industry and its trends. For some fields, like web development, you may need to learn specific programming languages, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Web development 121-150. Let's take a closer look at web development. To get started, you'll need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can find online courses and tutorials on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Codecademy. Once you have the basics down, you can start building your portfolio by creating small projects, like a personal website or a website for a friend's business. Content writing 151-220. For content writing, you'll need to have strong writing and research skills. You can start by building a portfolio of articles and blog posts on topics you're knowledgeable about. You can also use platforms like Medium and WordPress to showcase your work. Graphic design 221-250. For graphic design, you'll need to have an eye for aesthetics and the ability to create visual content using design software like Adobe Creative Cloud. You can start by building a portfolio of your work and taking online courses to learn the latest design trends. Digital marketing 251-310. For digital marketing, you'll need to have a strong understanding of online marketing strategies and the ability to analyze data. You can start by taking online courses and building a portfolio of your work, such as social media campaigns or SEO strategies. Data science 311-300. For data science, you'll need to have a strong understanding of statistics and data analysis. You can start by taking online courses and building a portfolio of your work, such as data visualizations or predictive models. Next steps 301-303. So, what's next? If you're interested in freelancing, start by identifying which of these skills aligns with your strengths and interests. Build a portfolio and take online courses to get started. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients and start pitching your services. Recap and call to action. Thanks for watching. In this video, we covered the top freelancing skills that pay well, what you need to get started, and some examples of how to put these skills to work. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and comment below with your questions or experiences with freelancing.